Hey guys, so this is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, the 46mm, the larger variant with the LTE version, with of course the rotating bezel that I got for about 9,500 rupees. So this is already unboxed, but I'm just gonna pretend that it is not. So this is the watch and of course the charger along with some paper stuff. So setting the device is super easy with the Galaxy wearable app, and you get all the Google and Samsung accounts synced in. And this also asked me to put the eSIM. However, I'm using the Airtel prepaid, which does not support this, so I'm gonna skip this. So looking at the watch, this is built like a tank. I mean, the stainless steel is like really rugged. So previously I was using this Watch Active 2, which comes with the aluminum. Compared to that, this one definitely looks more rugged and definitely feels more premium. So let me know guys which one you like the most. Also, the rotating bezel is like real fun and really convenient navigating through the stuff. I'm already loving this, and I tried to check out the sunlight visibility, and this can actually put some phones to shame. I mean, it is that good. However, one nitpicking here is that it came with the 4.5, not the 5 version, that is the latest. So I had to install this, taking about 1 hour of time. And also after installing this, you can see some of the details like the storage and all the details for your reference. And also talking about the most important thing, the performance, I really cannot say it's butter smooth or flawless. Yes, there are some hiccups or slowdowns just here and there very occasionally. I mean, even when you're navigating through the normal UI, not talking about the apps and stuff. I mean, it's a 2-year-old watch and it feels like one. However, I won't say it's slow or anything as such. It is still definitely usable. I mean, especially considering the price, definitely there is no other smartwatch that comes anywhere near this smartwatch in terms of features and everything. What's more is that with the recent One UI 5 update, you get the Samsung Pay officially, and I made a separate video on this. It works great. So definitely that's a plus. Apart from that, it comes with all the standard features like you can take calls, make calls, and the call quality is generally pretty good on this. And also you get the Play Store, you can WhatsApp, you can use Google Maps, you can use Google Assistant, all that smart feature stuff that we come to expect from a real smartwatch. Also, it comes with all the health tracking features, and from my experience, what I've noticed is that the accuracy is generally very good. Also, I like the body composition details that it provides apart from other stuff. Considering that it is going to get software updates for the next 2 years, it is definitely worth going for this around 10,000 rupees, considering that it has that rotating bezel, the stainless steel, and you have all the features like the Samsung Pay and stuff. Definitely around this price, you really cannot find a watch this good. I'll drop a link, you can check offers and stuff. So that's it for this quick video guys. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.